Need to build a fence and don't have a lot of money to spend? In this video, I'll share with you one tip that has gotten me free lumber to build my fence panels and how you can too. One little known source of free wood locally is from your local power sports dealership. Some UTVs, also known as side-by-sides or ATVs, are shipped in wooden shipping crates, and these crates are made out of 2x4, 2x3, and 1x3 lumber. Once they unpackage these UTVs and side-by-sides, these wooden shipping crates become space-consuming materials that they pay to dispose of. I picked up some UTV shipping crates from my local dealership, and they allowed me to build my fence panels for free. The total lumber cost to build these fence panels was $0. You can take advantage of this free lumber source also. How? Call or visit your local power sports dealership. You're probably going to want to speak to the sales manager or the service manager, as they're the people responsible for when the UTVs are unpackaged and sold. You're probably going to want to ask them something like, would it be possible to pick up any wooden ATV shipping crates that you have available? The chances are they will have a stockpile on hand, as was the case with my small town dealership. This is the source that has given me a lot of free lumber to build my fence panels, and you can use it to build other DIY projects too, maybe like a greenhouse. Free wood, what's better than that? Putting up some privacy fencing can be expensive. So now that you know where we got our free lumber, I hope you check out our next build videos. How to build a picket fence without a lot of money, and how to build a privacy fence without a lot of money, where we go into detail into how to construct these fence panels out of these UTV shipping crates. So I know some of you may be thinking, free wood, what's the catch? Are there any downsides? And I'll go over that here. One potential downside is you're gonna need a trailer. There's a lot of material there, so you can't just pick up one board. The supplies will be broken down, and they may be various sizes. There could be crates that are 8 feet long, 12 feet long, 14 feet long. There'll be tops, bottoms, and sides. So there'll be a lot of material there that you'll have to load up and then take to your place to where you could catalog it and process it further. So I hope this has helped you and provided some value, and maybe showed you that there are free materials out there to be had to build some awesome projects that you need. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.